here today to have a look at the simplest, easiest way to make drop-down menus in Excel. So we've got an example we've set up here. This one we have quantity and items, and we'd like to make a drop-down menu for those items. So first of all, we need to select the area that we want these drop-down menus to go into. Then at the top we're going to the Data tab. About 2/3 of the way across the Data tab is the Data Validation button. We don't want the drop-down menu at the bottom. We actually want the button in the top half. We give that a click. We'll go down to the Allow drop-down menu and we'll choose List. And inside of Source, we're going to type in all the options we want in the drop-down menus with a comma between them. And it's okay to have a space in these if you need more than one word in the drop-down menu, as long as there's a comma between each item. Click OK, and that's going to put the drop-down menu in each individual cell in your selection. Nice and easy to do. If you type something in that's not in the list, it's going to come up with this message. So it will stop you putting anything in that list that isn't defined. And if you add extra items, you can just copy and paste one of those cells that already has a drop-down menu in it, and that's going to paste the drop-down menu as well. In fact, you could even autofill the drop-down menu from an existing one if you need to put more drop-down menus in that column. If you want to get rid of the drop-down menus, select them all first, press the top half of the Data Validation button, click Clear All, and then click OK. That deletes the drop-down menus. It doesn't delete the data. If you want to delete the data, just select those cells and press Delete on the keyboard. So that's the easiest way to make a drop-down menu in Excel, but it's not the best way. There's some problems with that technique. Like if you have lots of different spots in your spreadsheets and they need the same drop-down menu, it becomes quite laboursome and difficult to keep them all exactly the same. And what if you wanted to make a drop-down menu where people can type something in that's not in the drop-down list? Or if you wanted to have a drop-down menu that's based on the choice of another drop-down menu? This simple technique is good for simple drop-down menus, but if you'd like to learn those more advanced techniques, we have 2 courses you can choose from by following the link in the outro or by looking at the description below that go into more detail depending on whether you need to be intermediate or advanced when it comes to drop-down menus. So check those out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.